Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Trader Martins and today we are going to be analyzing the British pound versus the US dollar. We are currently on the monthly time frame. As you can see, here is the fair value gap outline here, and I am currently expecting the market to move down to this bullish order block as seen below. And on my last GBP analysis, which I will put here on the video for you to check, I actually outline how the market is currently on this fair value gap, and that's why it's actually ranging. So I'm expecting this market to move down. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, as you can see on the weekly time frame, here is the fair value gap on the monthly time frame. That's why you see the markets consolidating over here, and you can see the markets. This is a mitigation block. Yeah, on my last video I made mention of the mitigation block, which I made mention that it will respect the mitigation block, but this I'm not expecting the market to go up right now. So my expectation for this week is actually for the market to come down to this fair value gap. That's what I said on the video. So you can still go and watch it. I will put it up in this video for you to go and check it out. So as you can see, the market is currently maintaining its bullish order flow on the weekly chart. So right now the market has tested this fair value gap, so I'm expecting it to push down to the monthly bullish order block and also a fair value gap, which this mitigation block will not stop probably. So let's go to the daily time. Yeah, here's the daily time frame. The weekly time frame was bullish, very bullish, and as you can see, the monthly time frame is bearish. As you can see, it's taking lows, making lower lows. So currently these two up close candle is actually another block, which will make the market not going up, and also I'm expecting it to move down to this bullish monthly bullish order block and also a fair value gap on the weekly. As you can see, the 4-hour time frame fair value gap here. So that's enough that's enough evidence that the markets might probably move downward. So let's go to the 4-hour chart time frame for more clarity. So as you can see, when the market tested this last up close candle before the down move, as you can see, the markets respected it very well and started moving downward. So my expectation is probably take these lows, but as you can see, the market here is a breaker block which is very sensitive and might not allow it move downward because the breaker block is very sensitive. Let me highlight it here so you can see. So probably since the breaker block is very strong institutional reference point, it might react here, probably consolidate if it wants to move down. But if you don't want to move down, then you expect it move bullishly. But my bias is bullish. I'm very bullish because the order flow is currently bearish. I'm bearish, so I'm expecting the bearish move. But otherwise, this is a breaker block that won't allow it to move downward. But you have to check what the market is doing. You have to check the way the market approach this reference point. So that's how you are going to trade it. So if you see a market structure shift to bullish, then you trade bullish, but otherwise we trade downward, because that's actually my expectation for GBP USD. Bearish is going bearish, otherwise bullish, but for now I'm very bearish. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. Yeah, see you. Have a nice trading week.